Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Google Play Store. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Play Store balance, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Play Store on your device and tap your profile at the top right. On the pop-up, tap Payments and Subscriptions. Here, tap Payment Methods. Since I have not added a payment method, there is nothing to see here. But if you have a payment method added, you will be able to view your Play Store balance at the top of this page. And that's how you check your Play Store balance. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.